So what's up guys, welcome back to this cringy channel where I post cringy videos, and today I'm going to show you how to make a program that prints a diamond based on the user input. So we are going to have some dynamic stuff going on, but let's keep it to the abstraction and let's first see how to run it. So I'm going to run it over here. Okay, so for that you just go to this website right here. Let me just do this thing. Okay, so first you search this. Okay, search this JDK on any browser, mainly Google, because who uses Edge or haha Internet Explorer? Funny joke. Anyway, so now you just click on the first link you get, like any sane person, and then you have this Java Standard Edition 15. This is the current version. So now you do JDK download, just click it. Okay, don't click it so hard, but just click it. Okay, and then over here just click this. Okay, you might want to click this or this, but trust me, you want to click this because I use this operating system. If you use Mac, Linux, cringe, or yeah, I don't even know what these are, but yeah, if you want to use Linux, Mac OS, or if you use Linux, Mac OS, because everybody does not have that power to say I want to use this. Okay, for that you just click over here and then you just do this right here. Don't read the terms and conditions, or you might want to read terms and conditions like a good person. So let me just download this. I don't want to download this because I have already downloaded this, and now you go to over here and let me just show where you want to go. So you go from the operating system to the users to your name or the name you registered to your device, and then you go to this file right here .jdks, and then you open this, open JDK 15, and then the bin right here. Then you just click any file right here. Okay, these files are all APIs, and APIs do many things, and one of the things are to provide the list of all the methods, objects, classes of a program. So yeah, they do all these things. So these are also important, but you cannot do much with these work on their own because these are smart, unlike your yeah, I'm not gonna say that. Anyway, so now you just copy this and then you go to environmental variables or variable, just type in y, and now you can get this. Okay, I've clicked it 2 times like a complete. Okay, you were supposed to click it 2 times, and I just thought I clicked it 2 times and it opened 2 times like a complete boomer. And then you see, you go to advanced. Okay, nobody asked, but you want to go to advanced, you just want to trust me, and then you don't mess with these things because these things are different, I guess, or I know. And then you click new, and then you just pop in the name right here. Yeah, I just got a stroke, so don't mind me. And then you just copy paste the value over here, the variable name, the variable value. This is the environmental value. I already okay, I seriously got a stroke this time. Anyways, so now this is the path. I've already created a path, so I don't want to create another path. So now we are just gonna go over here. This is the thing we're gonna be working on. There's the main class and there's the main function with string args or string arguments. I don't want to get much into that because trust me, the Stack Overflow's info or the Stack Overflow's description about it was really long. Not the description, I meant the Stack Overflow file about this was really long. Like the Stack Overflow page about this was really long, and I seriously got a stroke this time, so don't mind me. And now that I've created this, just let's just see what let's just visualize what we want to create. So we want to create a program that prints diamond based on the user input. So whenever you have these two words, user input, you import this package, import java dot you have imported java.util.scanner. Now this is also what APIs do. They also create a list of all the available packages. Okay, so now you can just import this. Yeah, you can import this. So APIs are really cool, guys. Anyway, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create an integer variable named lines. Okay, so these are gonna be the midpoint of the whole, what you call it, the whole diamond pattern. Yeah, I'm seriously getting short-term memory loss right here. And then in space, to give space, let's make it lines -1, because the middle line is not counted because it has the space value of 0. So yeah, if you don't want to be a cringe person, then you should write this, not 4, corresponding to the initial value 5. Okay, so this is the initial value. Don't cancel me on fake information or fake thumbnail. Yeah, I don't even know how to make a thumbnail, so yeah, eat your heart out, cancelers. Ha ha ha. So anyways, so now you create a loop. Inside this loop, and let's call it a equals 1. So this loop is going to be to change the lines. There needs to be some change. Okay, so if a is less than equal to lines, then a plus plus. Yeah, then a plus plus. The grades you will never get in school, but you dream about getting it. Okay, I don't dream. Let me stop being cringe for some time. Okay, so this loop will gonna be for giving spaces. Okay, let me just tell you that I'm not such a good programmer, to be honest. I'm just doing it for the views and for popularity, because I recently saw a Bella Pooch documentary, anyways. So now I want to be famous. Yeah, I seriously am mentally challenged. Anyway, so now you just sort it like this because people need beauty. Okay, rip headphone users, I got a new mic. Anyway, so now what you're gonna do is for end b equals 1. So this is gonna be to give spaces. So this is gonna be for changing lines, and this is gonna be for giving spaces in the line. So if you're not retarded like me and you are somewhat of observant, you will just see that if you pop in a diamond like this, ha ha ha, even the first part, then you will see the spaces. Okay, this Okay, so this side, the right side of the diamond is completely useless, like your life. Okay, don't mind me. Okay, so this part is completely useless. This part is important somewhat. Okay, this part is the most important because this part is the space, and without this part it will look something like this cringy poop. Okay, so now you can see over here it decreases. We have got 1 2 spaces, over here 1 space, and over here 0 spaces. Okay, so now you may see that. So for that it should run till b reaches the value of space, and which is lines minus 1, because this line doesn't count. Okay, so print a space. Yeah, this is doing the job it was meant to do. Okay, so now the theory that I talked about earlier, this and this and this, yeah, you get my point. So for this theory, for this thing to work, we are gonna do something like this. Yeah, you can do anything, but space minus is pretty, yeah, it's pretty easy to type. You can do anything to like decrease the value of space by 1, as we talked about earlier. Okay, so now create another for loop. Create another for loop. That this is gonna be the main for loop. Okay, every for loop is the important, and the main for loop is this for loop, but this is gonna be the visually main for loop. Can you imagine? Okay, many people, like most people, can imagine. I don't know why I said that. Please don't mind my IQ of a boomer retard. Anyways, so now over here is lines. So as you may have noticed, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And how many lines over here? 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Isn't that mind blowing? And how many lines over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, my my voice just cracked right there. But there are 5 lines. And what does that mean? That means you just need to pop up this code right here. So what this does is, let's say it's the first line, meaning this line. Okay, so meaning this line. So in this line is gonna be the first line. So 2 into 1 equals 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 1 star will be printed. Now let's go to the second line. So over here it is the second line. So 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Now let's go to the third line. 3 into 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So it's 5 lines. Now get it? Okay. Okay, now have you noticed that there is something super cringe in this code? And that is, it doesn't change lines. So to not make it more cringe than it already is, you're just gonna type in this code. See, this code makes this full program so less cringe. Okay, we're just gonna comment this right here because we don't want to get errors saying this right here is out of the class, or enum required. And I don't know why I keep behaving like what do you call it, a retarded person. My friends call me retarded, and I don't blame them for doing so. Okay, so now we have created this in a comment and we're going to run it. So for running this, we are going to, okay, so have you noticed something right there? If you're observant, you will notice that the main class's name is Diamond, the nice number, aka 69. So now this is there so that I can name my file the same as this, because it has the main class has to be the same as the file. I mean, the main class name should be the same as the file name because it's the main class. So you can say the file is the main class. Isn't that mind blowing? Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, I don't know why I just fake laughed over there. Yeah, I do some cringy stuff to get more views and more watch time. Don't mind me. Okay, that was not a laugh, that was a voice crack. Okay, okay, with my voice crack, I remembered that kid whose voice constantly kept cracking. Yeah, you have seen that meme. I guess so. It was in a try not to laugh. So yeah, I'm just wasting your time right here. Diamond 69. So this is gonna be the file name. So now we just save it right here, and then we just run it right here. So now you should type javac over here. Okay, so now we are just gonna go to the file location. I am pretty sure I saved it in Java, in my Java folder. Let me just check, because yeah, you know how I am. I didn't save it in my Java folder, so rip. Okay, we are going to save it again. Ha, pure p. Okay, diamond69.java. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Okay, we're gonna save it over here. Hey. Okay, so now we have saved it in our Java folder. You should create a Java folder because that's super cool. And if you don't, then you will be termed as a cringe person for the rest of your life. So this command just tells the command prompt that whatever is written over here, that's a directory, and the command prompt should focus on that directory, and then it should await for the command while focusing on that directory or that location. So dsktoп desktop slash Java folder. I named it Java. Yeah, very creative, I know. Okay, now you have reached the Java folder. It is focused to the Java folder. Now it awaits for the command. So for the command, you are just going to compile your folder, I mean your file, diamond diamond nice number dot java, or your file's name. Hey, look at that, there is a boomer error right there. Boomer error found, boomer error terminated. Let's compile it again. Oh, okay, we have found another boomer error. keep it right there. Okay, I had to run some errands right there. Okay, so now, okay, yeah, mic set. Okay, so now Diamond 69.java, so it should compile right now. Another error. Okay, that, like, I'm rolling in errors, but these are small errors. It should compile right now. Yeah, it is compiled, so now we just run it. Hey, it is run. So yeah, that's it for today. This is the part 1. Bye.